I am just starting with a clean face. I cleansed it, went ahead and put on some of these under eye patches. These ones are by Pixi. They are the DetoxifEYE Depuffing eye patches. And they come in this nice little container here. It comes with 30 pairs, so you definitely get a lot for the price that you pay of this, so it's really good value. I actually just got mine from Shoppers Drug Mart. I'm actually going to go ahead and remove mine since they've been sitting on my eyes for the past 20 minutes. So yeah. So like I said, I have nothing on my skin, but it's definitely feeling pretty tight right now, and I need to put all the hydration and moisture back into my skin. I always like to go in with a toner. The one that I have been using is from Glossier. It is the Solution Exfoliating Skin Perfector. Now this actually has 10% AHA, BHA, and PHAs in it, salicylic acid, and you can also use it as an acne treatment. So I really like this toner because of the fact that it has all of the acids. Those acids are actually safe for your skin, and that's what's going to truly exfoliate it and reveal nice even texture and skin tone. This is a little gross, but as you can see, there's definitely some gross yellow residue and dirt on there. So that kind of just goes to show that even though you cleanse your skin and you think it's clean, you still might have some leftover gunk and dirt. So it's always a really important step to do. So now to add an extra layer of hydration before we get into serums, I love going in with some sort of hydrating mist. One that I love going in with is by Glow Recipe. This is the Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. Not only does it smell so delicious, like it truly does smell like watermelon, but it's so hydrating, like you can really feel the hydration on your skin. I think this is my second or third bottle of it. So yeah, I'll spray a couple of mists of this. Next for serum, the one I've been using recently is by Summer Fridays. It is the CC Me Serum. One of the main ingredients is vitamin C, so it's truly going to brighten your skin. Also going to target dullness and uneven texture, dark spots, and fine lines and wrinkles. Vitamin C will instantly brighten dull skin and combat hyperpigmentation. There's squalane in this, which boosts hydration while sealing in moisture, and there's a peptide complex which improves skin elasticity and firmness. I like to go in with one more serum, but this one is oil-based, so this is by The Ordinary. It is their 100% plant-derived squalane. Overall, my skin is quite dry, especially just with the climate of where I live in. I'll probably stop using this come June, July when it starts getting even warmer, but right now I feel like my skin still needs that little bit of extra hydration. My advice is actually pat your serums and your oils right into your skin. This is just to ensure that it's actually being absorbed. So now I'm going to go in with some eye cream, going in with the Glam Glow Bright Eyes Illuminating Anti-Fatigue Eye Cream. This helps keep your under eye smooth and will really help your concealer go on a lot smoother and better and really prevent creasing. Really nice about this eye cream specifically is that it has like a really soft pink illuminating undertone, so it's going to help correct dark circles and just give a brighter appearance. Using my ring finger, I'm going to pat it in as it's the most gentle on your skin. For moisturizer, I'm going in with Glossier Priming Rich. This is a really great moisturizer too for dry skin. Now this step is optional, but sometimes I like to do this just for adding a little bit of an extra glow. It's super natural and just really sinks right into your skin. This is the Glossier Futuredew Oil Serum Hybrid. Now I love using this product once in a while because it just gives you that glass skin effect. And especially if you're going in with makeup right after, it's going to really give you that beautiful dewy foundation look. So I love to apply this, and it's even really perfect for no makeup days. Lastly, you must moisturize your lips. I like to do this during my skincare prep, so by the time I finish my makeup, my lips are ready for lipstick. The one that I like to use is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. Taking the little spatula that it comes with, I'm going to directly put it on my lips. Now to lock it all in, you can go and give yourself another spray of the Glow Mist. But that is it. This is how I prep my skin for makeup. It's super simple. This truly takes me only a couple minutes every morning, but it's something I highly recommend to everyone just to have a skincare routine before your makeup. It's going to make your makeup look 1,000 times better, and it's also just going to help improve your skin. Definitely recommend just taking those few extra minutes, dedicating that to yourself and to your skin health and your well-being. I appreciate you guys for watching. Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. I can't wait to continue posting some more tutorials for you guys. As always, leave me any requests down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I find I always forget to say that. But yeah, I will talk to you guys in the next video.